Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And you know what? I was looking at the comments, and it's obvious the reason why, you know what, we don't even want to talk about Linux is exactly all the comments that I see. That are people that have no idea what they're talking about. They're in their little world and really don't understand what's happening in the outside world with regular folks. All sorts of comments from, oh, well, somebody installs a Windows, a Linux version that actually mimics Windows, nobody will notice. Oh, yeah, nobody will notice. Then when they go and install whatever favorite program they have, they'll not notice. Yeah, half of them are missing, and the other half, you have super complex wisdom installing them. They're trying to make it better because there's, app stores that are coming and stuff like that. Half of the time doesn't work well. I'm sorry, but wake up, guys. Okay? You wonder why Linux is not taking off? Because it is not. It's because of you guys and the distros themselves. Other comment? Well, there's no problem there with so many distros. Yeah, there is. There's already a problem with 3 or 4 versions of Windows for most people. You get 200 distros with all a different interface and a different way of and asking questions that, oh, you should use KDE or you should use nonsense. Regular folks have no idea what that is. Once again, you guys are totally off. All sorts of things like that I see as comments. Oh, well, the market share is wrong. Linux is everywhere. Your router, your watch, your this, your that. Who cares? We're not talking about that. We're talking about desktop operating systems. I don't give a whatever of it's in my router, it's in a watch, it's in whatever device. It doesn't matter, doesn't care. Nobody knows what it is, what it does. Nobody even cares what's in the router. Once again, comments that are totally off scale of not understanding regular folks. I'm not insulting you guys. What I'm saying is you guys need to wake up and see that you're not in the same world as a regular user. All other things, there's so many of them that I've seen. Oh, well, no, you can use Office. You just install Wine. Yeah, of course, make it 10 times even more complex. Already installing Office, it's a big thing. It's a big suite of software. Oh, yeah, but you're going to install Wine. And in Wine, then you're going to be able to run. Yeah, of course, everybody wants to do that for sure. That is where I stand. The more comments I've seen on this channel, the less I feel like talking about Linux, because you guys are just making me want to move away from talking about it. Instead of that, you should maybe embrace that somebody that is mostly Windows wants to talk about it on a channel, but you're not realizing how you just makes me want to, forget it. Let's move on and continue with regular tech and regular Windows. That's the problem. And I will just say this. If you guys want one day Linux to succeed as a desktop system, it needs to be better. It needs to be much easier, because it's not easier. Somebody called me a liar. You're using a terminal. Yeah. If you start using it as a power user, like a power user in Windows, that terminal, you better know how it works, because yes, it is an obligation to know that. And how many times you have to download these weird packages to install software that doesn't work, and you're not really sure if you got the right version for the distro that you have. And yeah, right, everything's so easy. It's obvious. And you know what? All the comments I've seen from the people that say, well, I've moved on, and it's like, yeah, you just do email and serve the web. Of course, there's no problem. You do nothing, because I'm sorry, if you do email and serve the web, you don't do anything on your PC. You might as well have anything else than Windows. Everything's going to work with it. The thing is, the majority of users have their habits and their software that they want to use. It could be a small game that they want to play. It could be a piece of software that they like, that they've always installed every time they had Windows. Well, go to Linux, and then suddenly, forget it. You'll be lost. You don't know what to do. And I don't know. today's comments make me think twice about talking about it. I almost feel like not talking about it. So, wake up, guys, okay? Because I'm tired of Linux fanboys that just have no idea what they're talking about when it comes down to regular folks using a computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.